If there is any problem, please write in the chat. You can hear me and see the screen? Yes? Okay, very good. Let's start with our revision sheet. At the beginning, let's remember what the meaning of addition. Addition is finding the sum by adding two or more numbers. Like what? We will have the addition sign. This is the addition sign. We called it plus. So focus that the addition sign is plus. So how can we add? By putting the bigger number in my mind and the smallest number in my fingers. The bigger number in my mind and smallest number in my fingers. Let's take some examples. I have 5 plus 2. Which number is the bigger number? You can write the answer in the chat. Yes, the biggest number is 5. So put 5 in your mind and put 2 in your fingers. After 5, 6, 7. Very good. Very good, ya Malika and Lana. I will repeat again for our colleagues. What is the sign of addition? Yes, it's plus. How can we add? We can add by put the bigger number in my mind and smallest number in my fingers. Let's take some examples. First, 5 plus 2. What is this sign? This is plus. 5 plus 2. Which number is the bigger number? It's 5. And which number is the smallest number? It's 2. So after 5, 6, and then 7. So the answer will be 7. Very good, Omar and Yassine, Hamza, and Malika. Second example, 6 plus 2. What is this sign? What is this sign? It's a plus. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. It will be 6. Always remember, 0 is nothing in minus or plus. Let's solve. Who can help me? Eight plus 3. Yes, which number? Yes. Yes, Khadija, can you answer? 8 plus 3? Khadija, do you hear me? Khadija. 9 plus 6. 8 plus 3, which number is the biggest number? It's 8. Put 8 in your mind and 3 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer will be 11. Very good. Very good, ya Iyad and Omar and Yemen. Yes, Yasin, you can answer. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, Yasin. Do you hear me? Yasin.
See.
Yes, I can hear you. 15, very good, my dear. Yes, very good. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. Who can help me? Eliasia? Can you help me? 4 plus 0?
4.
4, very good. Excellent. Let's remember what the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction is taking number or a unit away from another. Amount is taking number or amount away from another. So what is the sign of subtraction? What is the sign? The sign is minus. How can we subtract? First, we must look at the sign to know if it's plus or minus. Second, circle the smaller and count to reach to the biggest number. And then I ask myself, how many fingers have I opened, and I count them. This is how can I subtract. Again, how can I subtract? We must look at the sign and then circle the smallest number and count to tell the biggest. And then I ask myself, how many fingers have I opened? This is how can I subtract. Let's take some examples. First, I have 4 tomatoes. And then I eat one of them. So let's count from the smallest to reach the biggest. Open your fingers and start count with me. After 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers? It will be 3 fingers. So the answer will be 3. Second one. 3 minus 2. What is this sign? It's minus. Yes, you must count from the smallest to the biggest. Who knows the answer? Yes, Omar, very good. Iyad and Mariam, yes, it will be number. Let's count. After 2, 3. How many fingers? It will be 1 finger. It will be number 1. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Let's count from the smallest to the biggest. After 1, 2. So the answer will be Yes, very good, Eliazia and Khadija, Mariam, it will be 1 also. And then we have 4 tomatoes. 4 minus 1, the sign is minus. That means I must count from the smallest to the biggest. After 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers do I count? Yes, 3 fingers. Who can answer this with me? 5 minus 1. Yes, Yayet, can you help me in this? 5 minus 1.
4.
Very good, Yayet. Excellent. It's like Iyad said, it will be 4. 5 minus 2. Then I have 5 minus 2. Let's count from the smallest to the biggest. Which number is the smallest? It will be 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers do you open? Yes, 3 fingers. Very good. Now, let's move and solve this. 9 minus 4. Who can help me? 9 minus 5. Who can help me in this? Can you help me, Mariam? Mariam Nabil? 9 minus 5, ya Mariam? Do you hear me? Mariam.
4.
Very good, my dear. Yes, it will be 4. Do you see the screen? Please write in the chat if you see the screen. Okay, let's move. And the second example. 4 minus 4. Very good, ya Yemen and Arwa. Muhammad Ali, yes, it will be 0. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. The third example, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Yes, let's count from the smallest. Which number is the smallest? Yes, it's 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? Yes, 3 fingers. Very good. Let's move to remember numbers in digit. Do you remember these numbers? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you all read them again with me? Yes, can you say it with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. This is numbers in digit. Let's move to remember numbers in letters. How can we write number 0? Salma, you don't see the screen? The screen is already shared. How can I write 0? Do you remember with me what is the letters? Yes, 0, Z-E-R-O, Z-E-R-O. 1, O-N-E, O-N-E. 2, TWO, TWO. 3, THREE. 4, FOUR. Very good, Yasmin and Omar. And Iyad, yes, very good. Who can write number 4? Yes. FOUR, FOUR. Number 5, FIVE, FIVE. Number 6, SIX, SIX. Number 7. Let's remember how to write number 7. SEVEN, SEVEN, SEVEN. And 8, EIGHT, EIGHT. Yes, very good, ya Khadija. You write number 8. Number 9. 9, NINE, NINE. Very good, Yasin. Number 10, TEN, TEN. Let's move to solve this. Who can help me? Number 9 in digit. Muhammad Ali, can you help me? Okay, yes, 9 in digit. It will be the first choose. Number 9. Very good. Yes, Yelena, very good. It will be the first choice. 9 in digit is the first choice. Very good. Then I have 1 space and then 3 and 4. Very good, Yasama. Yes, Yasin. Very good. It will be number 2. Okay, very good. 0 in letters. How can I write 0? Yes. Z-E-R-O. Very good, ya Arwa. Omar. Z-E-R-O. We just took how to subtract. Who can help me? 8 minus 3. What is the sign? It's minus.
5.
Yes, very good. Very good. Very good.
5.
Yes. It will be number 5. Then let's move to remember how to comparing between two numbers. How can we compare? I want to put the sign bigger than, smaller than, or equal. How can I do that? Let's remember the story that we have a big fish. We have a big fish. The big fish is very hungry. It will eat the 2 small fishes or 1 fish. Which one she will eat? Very good, ya Arwa and the Hamza. It will eat the 2 fishes. It will open her mouth and eat them. Let's move and solve this example. 7 is bigger than or smaller than or equal 9? Which sign I should put? Which sign? First sign or second sign or third sign? Yes, very good, ya Ali and Ahmad. It will be 7 is smaller than 9. Let's solve some examples about it. Let's compare about these numbers. Seven, we have 7 and 0. Which sign I should put? Bigger than or smaller than or equal? Yasmin, do you hear me? Yasmin. Bilal, do you hear me? Okay. It will be 7 is bigger than 0. Yes, very good, ya Farida. And then we have 9 and 10. Which number is biggest? Yes, 10. So 9 is smaller than 10. Very good. Very good, ya Sarah. We have 4 and 4. It will be, it's very easy. It will be equal. Yes, very good, ya Hamza and Mariam. And then we have number 8 and number 6. Which number is bigger? Number 8. So the fish will eat the biggest number, number 8. Very good, ya Yasin. So 8 is bigger than 6. Very good. And then we have 5 and 5. Yes, ya Ali and Yasin, 5 and 5. It will be equal. The last one, 2 and 3. The fish will eat number 3, will open her mouth and eat the biggest number, number 3. Very good. Then, let's move to the next. Arrange in order. We will remember how to arrange in order. We have 2 types of arrange. First type is ascending order. First type is ascending order. And second type is descending order. How can I make ascending order? Ascending is start with letter A. Letter A, it's like what? It's like ant. Ant is very, very small. So I must start with the smallest number to the biggest number. I must start from the smallest number to the biggest number. And then I have descending order, descending order. How I make descending order? It starts with letter D. D is like dinosaur. It's very, very big. So I must start with the biggest number. So let's start to arrange these numbers. Yes, who can help me? Please write answer in the chat. Do you see the ant? It's very, very small. So let's start with the smallest number. Very good, ya Iyad, Ali, Yasin, yes? Very good, my dears. We will start. Very good. We will start with number 0. After 0, 2. Which one is smaller, 5 or 8? Yes, number 5. And then number 8. Very good. Who can help me in the second one? We want to ascending them like the ant from the smallest. Which number is the smallest? 1. Yes, we start with 1. And then 3, and then 6, and 8. All of you are excellent. Very good, my dear. Then let's move to the next arrange. Arrange in descending order. It's like the dinosaur. The dinosaur is very, very big. So you want to eat the biggest numbers first. We have 6, 0, 9, and 4. Which number is the bigger? 9. Yes. And then 6. And then number 4 and 0. Very good, Sama, Ali. All of you are excellent. Very good, my dears. Very good. Let's move to the ordinal numbers. What the meaning of ordinal numbers? It shows the position of an object or people in a list. It shows the position of an object or people in a list. For example, who answered first? Yes, very good, ya Arwa. Farida Rafat, yes, like first and second, third, like Farida said. So let's remember the ordinal numbers quickly. First, and the shortcut, 1 ST, then second, then third, then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. There are ordinal numbers. Let's move to solve. Yes, who can help me? Please write in the chat. Second will be, which one of this? 1 ST or, yes, very good, Yasmin. It's 2 and D, very good. Very good, ya Khadija and Alia. All of you are excellent. And then we have fourth. Which one is fourth? The shortcut of it. It's 40H. Very good. And then we have third. Which one is third? 3RD. Very good, Yalana. Then we have the last one first. 1ST. Very good, my dear. All of you are excellent. Let's move. Let's move in to remember what about the set. What is a set? Set is a group of similar objects. Group of similar objects arranged according to shape or color or size. How can I form a set? By making a big circle around the similar objects together. Let's make some sets. Yes, how many cars do we have? We have 4 cars. If they are a set, yes, very good. They are a set. Let's make a circle around them. And then how many apples do I have? It's 4 apples. Let's make a circle around them. They are a set. And last, how many bunnies do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are a set. Very good. All of you are excellent. Let's complete the missing numbers. This is the component number of number 10, first one. Do you remember the component number of number 10? Very good. Let's count from 10 to 3 to find the answer. Let's count. Very good, ya Malika and Sarah. All of you are excellent. After, let's count from 3 to reach 10 on my fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? It will be 7 fingers. Very good. Very good, ya Hamda. The second one. 5 plus which number equal 10? Of component of number 10? Yes, it will be 5. All of you are excellent. And then the third one, which number plus 7 equal 10? Let's count from 7 to reach 10. After 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 3. Yes, ya Yasin, very good. And Muhammad. 2 plus which number equal 5? Very good, ya Ahmad and Hamza. It will be 3. Very good, my dears. All of you are excellent. And then 5 plus which number equals 7? Let's count from 5. 5, and after 5, 6, 7. Very good. It's 2 fingers. Will be 2. Do you remember the numbers and letters? Yes. 10. T-N-E. Yes, yes, Sarah. Yemen. Very good, my dears. T-E-N. T-E-N. Let's repeat together. T-E-N. And then number 9. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. Number 5. Who can write number 5 in the chat? Yes, very good, ya Arwa. Farida. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. And then number 1, ya Hamza, very good. Yasin and Malika, O-N-E. O-N-E. Number 3, do you remember number 3 song? T-H-R-E-E. Very good. Let's move to the clock. We have analog clock. We just remember that we have short hand and long hand. The short hand, it's 4 hours, and the long hand, it's 4 minutes. So let's remember, what is this clock time? Do you see it? This clock on the screen? Yes, very good, ya Yemen. It will be 8 o'clock. Let's move to the digital clock. The digital clock have hours and have minutes. Hours and minutes. The digital clock have hours and minutes, has. And this is the analog clock. This is the analog clock. Do you see the clock? Which time is that in the digital clock? Do you see the time? Very good, ya Malika and Yamin. All of you are excellent, my dears. Yes, let's move. Who can help me to solve number 1? First clock, what is this time? The long hand at 12 and the short hand at 3. So the clock will be, yes, it will be 3 o'clock. Very good. Second one. The long hand at 12 and the short hand at 11, it will be 11 o'clock. Very good. All of you are excellent. The last one, the long hand in what? In 12. And the short hand in 5. It will be 5 o'clock. Very good, my dears. All of you are excellent. I will open. Do you have, can you please write in the chat if you have any questions? Anyone has any question? If you have any question, if you don't understand anything, please write to me in the chat. Okay, I want to hear all of you. Do you love math?
Yes, I love. Yes.
Again, together. Do you love math?
Yes.
And math love all of you, my dears.
Yes, I do.
Very good.
All of them.
Thank you. Do you want me to repeat the clock again? Okay, we will repeat the clock again. We have two types of the clock. We have two types. We have analog clock and we have digital clock. We have two hands on the clock. We have long hand and we have short hand. The long hand 4 minutes and the short hand 4 hours. And then we have digital clock. We have digital clock. What is this time? Yes, this is 12 o'clock. It will be 12 o'clock. And the second one, where is the long hand? Where is the long hand? Yes, it's number 12. And where is the short hand? 3. So it will be 3 o'clock. It will be 3 o'clock. Very good. Do you have any questions? I love you all, my dears. I love you, Nadia. I want all of you to repeat with me numbers and letters. I can hear all of you. Let's repeat together, just together, the numbers and letters after your teacher. I can hear all of you now. Number 0. Let's start with number 0. Z-E-R-O. Z-E-R-O. Yes, very good. And then number 1. O-N-E. Number 2. After you, teacher, please. Number 2. T-W-O. T-W-O. And then number 3. T-H-R. Double E. Yes, very good. I can hear all of you. T-H-R. Double E. Number 4. F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. And then number 5. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. And then number 6. S-I-X. Very good. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. Number 9. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. Number 10. T-E-N. T-E-N. Okay. Who can tell me month of the year? Just write in the chat and raise your hand. Who can tell me month of the year? Yasin, do you hear me? Yes, Yasin. Yes, Ali. Ali Amri, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Ali.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good, my lovely student. Very, very good. Excellent, excellent. Thank you. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say month of the year?
Yes.
Okay, I can hear you. Start.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good, my dear. Very good, Muhammad. We have finished. Thank you, my sweet students. See you next session. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Habib.